Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2, live edge furniture build. Hope you enjoy it. This is a 3-inch walnut slab that I'm going to be book matching since I didn't have the piece big enough, but I think this is going to work out. Here they are. They line up really nice. Basically, I'm going to run those through the jointer, and I'm going to go ahead and glue them up. I went through several different configurations, and I finally settled on this particular layout for the doors, which I think is going to look really nice. Here I'm just writing on the pieces with chalk so I can do my volume calculation. I just use an app that I found online.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
Sending emojis. I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the OG.
So you see coming up, I made a pretty big mistake. It wasn't the end of the world, but I did not level my mold, so all the epoxy settles towards the front.
Stay timed up, trying to build it up, trying to count it up, hill figures. Don't be chilling with no little niggas. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready, I'm hitting my style.
So the lower cabinet again is made with the walnut veneer plywood. It's like a standard cabinet, so there's not really much to it.
Yeah, flying flashy, ayy, we too fancy, ayy, can't walk past me, ayy, right up your alley, wait, I gotta play it safe, watch me isolate.
So depending on the finish that you're applying, you gotta figure out how it's gonna work. I found it works best with Rubio Monocoat if I use 220 sanding grit on the plywood just one time.
I'm today's trying to tap it. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on.
So with this face frame application, it's not too standard. I went ahead and I dadoed in 3/8 of an inch for the face frame so that I'd be able to clamp it and glue it.
Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping.
I fabricated the lower cabinet. All the doors were in the epoxy mold. This way, when the doors are ready after 72 hours, the lower piece would pretty much be done except for the doors.
Yo, Less ego and more soul. Trying to make it clear like a sore throat. They too concerned about my wardrobe, but they going broke. We been praying for it, only Lord knows. Just got an invoice, shit had about 4 O's. Pick the locks when the doors close. Nigga, this is my house, fuck a foreclose. We staying in control, fuck the hormones. Come outside the hood, look like a war zone. Come first, my niggas check everything, watch your jawbone. Back then they used to call her jawbone. We was little freaks watching porno, going crazy with the hormones. Now we paying car notes, lighting up like charcoals. Lost a couple homies, but I meet them at the crossroads. ISO on the hoodies, gotta ship them out like cargo. Back in high school, rock the polo with the cargos. Take a trip to Dad, Grandma Ursi had the car for. I need like 6 rings like the Bulls in Chicago. Yeah, cause we be out here 3-peating, pumping fan, they heart, you can hear it beating. Schooling all them and we still teaching. Wanna talk biz, we can set the meeting. Light us up, yeah, we still cheating.
Hey, so check it out. This is my new router sled jig, slab flattening. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on this, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. This thing is awesome.
We in the bunker, rolling up some skunker, laying down tracks, you can hear the hunger. Every day is numbered and we ain't getting younger. So I apply pressure like a damn plunger. They ain't for the culture, they all vultures, they all vulgar. We need structure for these youngsters, they all pumped up, pushing dumpsters. See a cop and rush them, we need change but we all flustered. It been this way since they call us color. For about 10 summers, DJ Mustard, the revolution still loaded like it got a buffer. Now we gotta wear a mask to keep our face covered, and they shooting us with bullets that's rubber. We gotta be the keeper for our brother. How we supposed to come together? It's families that can't recover, still in mourning while we gotta suffer. This the beginning till we see another.
So I'm finally getting to put this whole unit together, and I'm realizing just how awesome it is. And I feel like that when I'm going to take it to the customer's house, I'm going to be like sending one of my kids away to college. As always, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like button. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe. Thanks again.